Hi, my name is Della. I'm a creative consultant and a curriculum designer. The topic for today is creating a virtual session that is engaging. You know, what sort of session would it be? It could be a class, it could be a workshop, it could be a network session, it could just be a simple internal meeting. And when you're the host, what happens? The pressure is on you. That's right, you heard me right. The pressure is on you. So how do you get a session where people are interactive? You know, asking questions. They're excited about what you've got to say. They will easily network, you know, and you find that such sessions could be something that you need to prepare. The Meta Circle International and the Powerful Fish will be running and curating a workshop just for you. And in that, we will share with you 7 pillars. That's right, 7 simple steps to get you from 0 all the way to 10. And in some sessions that we go to, we find that in between, there could be a pause of radio silence. And that puts the host in a panic mode. I tell you, it gets panicky. Can you overcome that? That's simple. So stay tuned to our workshop where we give you tips and tricks. And we also show you each step that goes all the way. First, from preparation mode to hosting to using power language. Not forgetting cameras, lights, and sound. So stay tuned for our workshop as we come live to you. It's a beautiful day today, so I won't talk too much. It's Saturday. I need to be out there. So I'm going to sign off now. So this is Della signing off. See you around and stay cool. See ya.